Welcome to a bonus feature from John's Jeep Garage. Hi, welcome to John's Jeep Garage. Today we have a bonus feature for you. It's not a Jeep, it's a 2017 Tundra, but it's a quick video. Turn signal not working. Want to show you how to change the bulb. Very easy. Hopefully you learned something. Thank you for visiting. Okay, so let's look at our blinker and what happens to it. This is going left, and you can see it's a normal pattern. But when it's going like that right, something's wrong. Normally, it means your front or right blinker bulb, which could also be your parking light bulb, is out. Let's take a look. I'm going to turn this back on, and we're going to go look out in the front and the back. We have nothing. Let's look at the back. And the back is blinking fast, so we need to replace that front bulb. To access the bulbs, we're going to open up the hood, and let me just show you on the right side. I don't know if you can see, but the bulb that would normally go into the parking light or blinker area is amber. So it's going to be an amber bulb. Over here, you can see it's an amber bulb. If you look on each side, right there, that's where your parking light or blinker bulb is located. The same on the other side, just next to the battery, where your blinker or parking light bulb is located. So what we're going to do now is reach in, twist this counterclockwise about 15 degrees. You can then pull the bulb and the connection out, pull the bulb out, and then we're going to replace the bulb. For this 2017 Tundra 4-wheel drive 5.7 liter TSS off-road, and similar to the TRD off-road, this is 4157 Long Life from Sylvania. And if you look at the 4157 by itself, that's a clear bulb. You want the one that has the amber and usually designated with some letters at the end. 4157 NA, the NA representing the amber bulb, and that's what you need for the turn signal or the parking. Otherwise, ask your auto parts dealer and they will get you the correct bulb. New amber bulb. You get your connection, you plug it in, just make sure it goes in all the way. Place it back in the hole. You turn it until it goes into the little slot. Try to remember the way you pulled it out, and then rotate it clockwise about 15 degrees. And you are good to go. Let's test it out. Okay, now let's test the left blinker, which we knew was working correctly, and you see the normal frequency or rate. Let's turn to the right. Looks like it's working. We'll step outside and see if it's still working. Okay, so it's working correctly. And the same process applies if we were changing out that bulb. Thank you for visiting John's Jeep Garage. If this video helped, please like and subscribe to our channel.